with that, let's shift our attention now. A stunning politico-legal showdown is unfolding in Delhi with Arvind Kejriwal taking an unprecedented stand against the very judge set to hear his case in the Delhi High Court after his request seeking the recusal of Justice Swarnakanta Sharma was not accepted. The Aam Aadmi Party convener has now escalated this confrontation. Arvind Kejriwal has now openly boycotted the proceedings, saying that neither he nor his lawyer will appear before the judge. Kejriwal has cited two key reasons for this move. First, he alleged that there are ideological links between the judge and the RSS. And second, he raised concerns over a possible conflict of interest, claiming that both her children are empaneled as government lawyers and receive work through Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who is appearing in the case against him. So this is the charge that has been made. We have more breaking updates coming in after Arvind Kejriwal. Manish Sisodia has also now written to Justice Swarnakanta saying no lawyer will appear on my behalf either. So he goes on to say the future of your children is in the hands of Mr. Tushar Mehta. I have no hope of getting justice. This is what Manish Sisodia has said, saying there is no option left. And going on to end that note by saying Satyagraha. My colleague Kritika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Kritika, this is unprecedented. Both Arvind Kejriwal and now Sisodia also joining in. Manish Sisodia also saying that they will not be participating in the proceedings, making it clear that there are some links. This is while the judge herself has also issued clarifications on this. So what next?
Right, Pratibha, both Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia now have decided to boycott the hearing as long as Justice Swarnakanta Sharma will be in fact looking into this matter. Yesterday itself, Arvind Kejriwal had released a letter and a video statement, listing his reasons for the same. Today we are seeing that even Manish Sisodia has decided to boycott. Now they're terming this entire boycott as a satyagraha. In fact, they've mentioned in their letter also about how this is not a confrontation with the judge alone, but about the faith of ordinary citizens in the judiciary. This is how they're terming it. But however, remember, there have been multiple attacks that have been made by leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party on the Delhi High Court judge as well. Even yesterday, senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh, had said that there is no hope for justice in the court of Swarnakanta Sharma because she stated in a program that every time she attends the RSS event, there is a promotion. This is in fact the statement that was made by Sanjay Singh yesterday as well in the noon when he was approached on Arvind Kejriwal's decision to boycott the entire system. Now, both of them say that they're ready to face the consequences and their counsel will also not be presenting their argument into the entire matter. Now, remember, the dates for the hearing of this matter is expected to start from in a very short while as well. And their arguments had to be noted down from the next week. But now with them boycotting the entire hearing, it remains to be seen what observations the judge will also make, because as you also rightly pointed out, she had gone on for over an hour, in fact, detailing the reasons why she has refused to recuse herself from this hearing and in fact taking on all allegations, including those of her children being impaneled by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta in different central and state governments panels as well. All of these allegations were addressed by her. However, now the entire Aam Aadmi Party stands
Stay with us, Kritika. The Aam Aadmi Party has responded, like you just mentioned. Of course, we just heard the statements of Kejriwal as well as Manish Sisodia. But here is what Aam Aadmi Party has put out, and we need to show it to our viewers as well. This is the picture that has been tweeted with Mahatma Gandhi. Satyagraha is what the Aam Aadmi Party has called it. Arvind Kejriwal seen in this poster with Mahatma Gandhi ji, and the Aam Aadmi Party tweet says Kejriwal ji's Satyagraha against injustice. So Kejriwal or the Aam Aadmi Party going on to say that it is injustice. A similar charge that was levelled by Arvind Kejriwal yesterday. Now, of course, Manish Sisodia also joining in. Listen in to what the former Delhi Chief Minister said yesterday.
ऐसी दुविधा के मौके पे बापू ने हमें सत्याग्रह का रास्ता दिखाया। बापू ने कहा था कि जब भी किसी अन्याय का सामना करो तो उसका पहला कदम विरोध नहीं बल्कि बातचीत होना चाहिए। अपनी बात अन्याय करने वाले के सामने पूरी विनम्रता के साथ रखनी चाहिए और उसे सुधार सुधारने का पूरा मौका देना चाहिए। सारी कोशिशों के बाद भी अगर न्याय ना मिले तो अंतरात्मा की आवाज़ सुनो। यदि अंतरात्मा की आवाज़ कहती है कि न्याय नहीं हुआ, तो शांति और विनम्रता के साथ सत्याग्रह करना चाहिए। फिर उसके जो भी परिणाम हों वो सहर्ष स्वीकार करने चाहिए।
So it will be interesting to see what happens in the next in the case, because as of now the judge has responded to every single allegation, but both Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia are saying that they will not be participating in the legal proceedings, going on to even calling it satyagrah.